Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. Today we are talking cooking oils. I want to give you clear, evidence-based guidance on the healthiest oils to choose. This is an area fraught with so much myth, so much spin and confusion that in reality is simple and straightforward. If you let the hard science guide you, which is the only way Dr. Ann rolls. Remember, fat is what gives our food flavor and a nice mouthfeel, and if you know exactly which oils to select, you get the best of both worlds, great tasting food that guards your health as well. Your goals are to bring in the oils that are comprised of the healthy fatty acids, as well as additional goodies like antioxidant phytochemicals, and to use them in a way that does not oxidize or damage them. So, here are the oils you should be using based on solid, very credible science. Make extra virgin olive oil, a monounsaturated fat, your oil of choice for low to moderately high heat. Of all oils, it has the most data behind it regarding health benefits. Select avocado oil or expeller-pressed organic canola oil. I want to emphasize expeller-pressed organic for the canola oil. For your baking and for your food preparations where the strong flavor of olive oil is not desired. Both avocado oil and expeller-pressed organic canola oil are healthy monounsaturated fats that are relatively flavorless. Choose peanut oil or avocado oil for very high or super high heat. Think pan frying, stir frying, etc. These oils are high heat tolerant and the safest to use in these contexts. Feel free to use specialty nut oils, walnut oil, macadamia oil, almond oil, etc., as called for in recipes. They are comprised of healthy fats just as their nut versions are. Minimize the oils high in omega-6 fats. That's corn oil, soybean oil, also called vegetable oil, safflower oil, and sunflower oil. Americans consume way too much omega-6 fats, mostly from processed foods, and they compete with those precious omega-3 fats. Lastly, don't be duped by the hype and spin surrounding coconut oil. At this point in science, there is not hard evidence of benefits, and the verdict on whether coconut oil is neutral or harmful is still out. If you use it, do so in small amounts and always use virgin unrefined versions. Please share this tip with your friends and loved ones to help me clear up all the confusion over this topic.